Shake your head,
Ella's a little present.
Take that bow off, Ella. Do it. Come on. That's a wild dog. That's a little bit too close.
Okay, hold on.
He's a wild dog. Ella, what are you doing? Shake your head. Shake that bow off. Quick. Get it. What's wrong with you? Are you a package? Delivered? What the world's wrong with you, Ella? She likes being a present. A present that opens itself. Oh, we're gonna post that picture. So cute.
Hello, my beautiful bow. Alright, should I turn it off now? Bye. Bye, present girl. Can you rip the paper? Alright, bye. Bye, Ella. Ella.